Hi there lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do 4 contour tips that will replace surgery and transform your face. Let's go! But if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you! Let's start with the eyelid effect. So all we need to do is draw a line from the upper crease all the way to your temple. Then blend it in, then bang, tingnan nyo na. Meron na kayong automatic na lifted effect dyan sa gilid. And then, next is the nose contour. I know everybody or everyone knows how to do this, but this is my favorite. I love contouring my nose kasi I'm not gifted when it comes to nose. So let's just do a little, let's just draw a little line there to make some dimensions sa nose natin. Then let's blend it in. We can use our brush or you can also use a beauty blender. So ang ganda nung kapag blendin nyo from your eyebrows to your nose, no? Kasi nagkikreate siya ng dimension. Nagbibigay siya ng dimension sa nose nyo at saka sa eyebrow nyo. See that? I like mixing the beauty blender and the brush. Sila yung ginagamit ko sa pag-blend. And of course, huwag natin kalimutan yung highlighter kasi yan yung nag-a-add ng beauty. And sa cheeks natin, so tingnan nyo, mag-create tayo ng like payat look. So let's just do that. I like contouring mga loves. Kasi you can draw whatever you want to draw to your face. Kung gusto mo ng payat, then let's just blend it like that. Gusto mo ng payat, gusto mo ng medyo chubby yung cheeks mo, tingnan. Kung gusto mo medyo pahaba, ito yung contouring yung gagawin nyo. Then, yan, let's blend it with a beauty blender. Yan yung pang third sa cheeks and then yung pang fourth is sa forehead naman. Ako kasi medyo mahaba yung space ng forehead ko kaya ginagamitan ko ng contour. Ayan na, tapos na guys. Yan ang beauty. Yan na yung finished product natin. Tingnan nyo, may mga dimension na siya sa nose, sa cheeks, sa forehead of course. And tingnan nyo yung eyes natin. Lifted siya, diba? Ang payat ko, tingnan dyan. Thank you so much mga loves. Always remember, the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. What are you waiting for? Try this now. Have a great day.